The scents are coming back. Pops! Oh no! He's alive. You'll catch your death of cold if you fall asleep out here.
Lay off, will you?
You're not one of the locals, are you? So where you from, old man?
Just what the hell difference does it make to you?
Not much. Just making conversation.
From Curios.
Ah.
You mean you know it?
No. But from what I understand, the place was wiped out by Jagra's troops ages ago. They torched the town looking for wolves.
That's a lie! Don't you give me that crap!
Sorry, but it's true. I heard it from some soldiers. They were hunting a pack of wolves that just happened to pick Curios as the hideout. So they burned it.
I don't believe that for a second. No. I saw them with my own two eyes. It was wolves. They killed him. They killed Roos.
The wolves didn't kill him! You've got to believe me. Please, Pops.
Oh my God, Blue! Blue.